Hi, I'm Kurt Losenort with the Smallegan team at Keller Williams, and I'm back in Rockford with another great property. This is 7857 Bush Drive on the outskirts of Rockford. Still has everything this incredible town has to offer, but even a little bit more removed and even a little bit more privacy. Inside is a fusion of modern farmhouse with Scandinavian influence. So, an open, flowing floor plan still with distinct spaces, windows all around, and warm, inviting finishes. The large kitchen is complete with a brand new quartz countertop on the island and absolutely state-of-the-art appliances. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. 3 good-sized bedrooms with a full bath and the primary suite. The finished walkout basement provides a lot more living and entertainment space with a second cozy fireplace and another primary suite or great space for guests. And look, we don't normally show off the mechanical room, but again, all brand new top-of-the-line mechanicals throughout the home, including radon mitigation, whole house humidifier, and UV filtration system for the water. But what's really special about this property is what's outside. 4 acres of beautiful rolling meadow surrounded by huge hardwoods with tons of potential for all the things you can't do in a normal backyard. The entire property is fenced in, so it's an awesome place for pets to run and play. And the humans get to have a lot of fun too. You're definitely going to want something fun just for cruising around outside. Things you really can't get away with if you have next-door neighbors. Or if you just need to practice. I need to practice. Or you would rather just relax and watch nature outside your window. It's entirely up to you. The point is, if this is your home, you choose how to celebrate it. Showings for this incredible home start on Wednesday, July 17. Schedule yours today or check the listing for the open houses over the weekend.